Hold on to your hats, history buffs. We're about to steamroll into the 18th century. Picture this. It's the 18th century. Life's slow, factories are sleepy, and travel is a snail's pace. Enter the steam engine. Invented by James Watt, it cranked up the heat and revolutionized everything. Factories went from hand-powered to powerhouses. Trains choo-chooed their way into the fast lane. Society transformed overnight. The steam engine was like the smartphone of its time. Everyone wanted a piece of that action. From pumping water out of mines to driving locomotives, steam engines were the OG multitaskers. They fueled the Industrial Revolution, setting the stage for the world we live in today. So next time you're stuck in traffic, thank the steam engine for getting us on the road in the first place. Love this slice of history? Smash that subscribe button and join us for more time-traveling tales.